In this video, we will walk you through the Magento 2 LLMs TXT Generator. This helps the admin create an LLMs.txt file, which makes the store content easier for AI systems like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude to read and understand. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configurations and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. So let's move to the admin configuration. First, go to Stores, then click on Configuration. Under the Webkul section, you will find the LLMs TXT Generator module. In the General settings, we have the option to enable or disable the module. Then we can select the entity type that needs to be included in the LLMs.txt file. Next, we can enter the company name, company description, and any additional information. After that, we need to set the frequency of file generation, which can be daily, weekly, or monthly. You can also set the exact time for file generation. In the File Status section, you will see a message stating "No LLMs.txt file found" if the file hasn't been generated yet. To generate the LLMs.txt file, we need to configure the start time and the frequency for file generation. That is, when the file should be generated. Once the time is set, save the configuration. After the module configuration is complete and the start time and frequency are set, the file will be generated according to the schedule. Once generated, the file status will show LLMs.txt file is found. On clicking the file link, you will be able to see the company name, company description, and additional information you entered during the module setup. It will also display the selected pages, products, and categories. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.